Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Tuesday, October 29th, 2013. Thank you all for tuning in. Let's jump right into the charts. We'll start off with the usual S&P 500 E-mini futures. First thing you'll see here is that the futures are trading higher by 2 points here to 1761 per contract. So futures are soaring and roaring, up a big 2 points here this morning. But we'll see how this market trades out today. Nothing really dramatically wrong. There were a lot of earnings that are being released, especially last night after the closing bell. The big earnings report really came out of Apple, and you'll see here that Apple today is trading around the 532 level. It really has been all over the map, though. You can see right after the report came out around 4:30 in the afternoon yesterday, up and down and all around. Today it's settling in around the 532 level after closing at around 529.50. So that's going to be on the radar today, on everybody's radar, to see how Apple performs. Right now the stock is holding up pretty well. We'll give it a little bit of an upside bias from this point, looking at how it's traded so far. Some other stocks in the news that you want to take note of is Seagate Technologies. Seagate is a disk drive maker, and the stock is trading lower, closed at around $49.80. Right now it's only trading at $48, so it's not terrible. It has drifted lower. We will have some gap levels for this one should the stock swing a little bit more in a wild fashion. Another stock that you want to take note of is Herbalife. This could be in play today. This is one of those stocks between Carl Icahn and Bill Ackman, war of the whales, and one is long, one is short. Obviously, Icahn has been long, Ackman has been short. Right now, the stock's trading at $67.25. It is overbought, so I'm not sure if we're going to see all that much here. But if it pulls back around $62 would be a big support level. I'm not sure we're going to see that today. But either way, stock does have a ton of support there. And if it goes higher, watch for around $73. That's probably where the stock would stall out. Right now, it's pretty much trading in its range from where it closed yesterday. So we really can't make too much out of that one, at least not at the moment. There is a lot of economic data out today. I believe a little bit later today we're going to have consumer confidence. I think that's coming out. Yeah, I think that's out at 10 o'clock in the morning. So we'll see how that if that moves the markets at all. I'm not really sure we're going to see all that much. We did have economic data out at 8:30 in the morning, but again, I don't know if we can make too much out of it. The markets are up, or I should say the futures markets are up just 2 points. There are quite a few other stocks that have reported earnings and are in motion. Another one is 3D Systems. This has been a popular name. Had a really good sell-off, now rebounding. I will have some gap levels for 3D Systems. Also, we're going to watch, I believe, UBS or USB. I think it's UBS. Here we go. There we go. UBS. This is getting hammered today. So we'll have some gap levels for this one as well. Again, those will all be posted up in the trading room, intraday stock chat, around 9 a.m. So those of you that want that, come over to the chat room. They'll be posted up in the morning. Looking at oil this morning, we are seeing lower crude prices, down 51 cents to $98.17 a barrel. Okay, that is light sweet crude. That's what we use here in the United States, not the Brent crude, which is used in Europe. If we take a good look at the USO today, you'll see the USO is trading at $35.39. So again, nothing great, nothing terrible, kind of in the lower end of its range here, but just a little bit of a downdraft from yesterday's close, which was around the 35.55 level. Gold is also trading lower this morning. Gold is down about $6 at the moment to $1,346 an ounce. If you take a look at the all-important GLD, which is a good proxy for gold, you'll see that it's trading right now right around the 130 level. The GLD closed at 136.56, so kind of reflecting the little drop in the spot price today. So again, GLD trading right around the 130 level. Expect gold to be volatile, but gold can come under a little bit of pressure as long as the dollar yen goes higher. So I'm going to pull that chart up right now so you can see it. Dollar yen has been really ramping ever since 3 o'clock in the morning. It's been catching a bid to the upside. So that has a negative effect generally on the gold price. So if dollar yen goes higher, gold will go lower. Dollar yen starts to sell off, watch for gold to catch a bid. That's kind of the correlation out there that people aren't talking about. So keep an eye on that today. We'll see how that works out. We'll see how it plays out. I think that's pretty much everything that I wanted to cover. One last thing, it looks like India did raise rates last night. So just so everybody knows, the Reserve Bank of India, that's their central bank, they did raise rates, I believe, to 7.75%. That's the second time in 2 months. It also is just reflecting that the country is facing heavy inflation. I think the stock market actually rallied last night, which is a rarity to see on a rate hike, but nonetheless, I believe that did happen. So Indian ADRs could be a little bit volatile today. I'm not 100% sure. I haven't had a chance to look at them. But nonetheless, the Reserve Bank of India did raise rates last night. That should be noted. With that said, everybody, I'm going to leave it there short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day. Futures are up about 2 points at the moment. And we'll see how this market trades out today. But nonetheless, you should get some good volatility over the first couple of hours. And with all the earnings plays that are in motion. And I'll see everybody on the charts. Have a great trading day, everyone.